हेलो एंड वेलकम टू ई टाउन न्यूज, जहां आपको मिलेगा डेली डोज ऑफ बॉलीवुड न्यूज, फैशन ट्रेंड्स, टीवी एंड सोशल मीडिया से जुड़े हर अपडेट. A show which gives you the day's lowdown of all the best happenings in the world of glamour. तो इंतजार किस बात का? Let's take a look at today's headlines. करीना कपूर खान ने रिवील किया कि उनकी सेकंड प्रेगनेंसी पर सैफ अली खान ने किस तरह किया रिएक्ट. अपने क्रिकेट स्किल्स से शाहिद कपूर ने किया किसे इम्प्रेस. अली फजल ने जूम से की कैंडिड कॉन्वर्सेशन.
Wasn't planned, but it was something that we really wanted to celebrate, and we're really enjoying it together. The first time round with Taimur, I worked till the end, but I shot a lot of ads and I did a lot of my brand work. But I think for the first time being an actor, I'm actually on a movie set, being pregnant.
करीना कपूर खान और सैफ अली खान जल्द ही तैमूर अली खान के सिबलिंग को करने वाले हैं वेलकम. और अपने एक लेटेस्ट इंटरव्यू में करीना ने रिवील किया कि किस तरह सैफ ने किया था रिएक्ट जब उन्होंने सेकंड टाइम शेयर की सैफ के साथ ये गुड न्यूज.
Unfortunately, in my house, there's nothing filmy as such, because Saif's he's very normal and relaxed, and of course, he was so happy and always happy to hear it. So I think that it was like I said, it wasn't planned, but it was something that we really wanted to celebrate, and we're really enjoying it together.
करीना कपूर खान के अलावा अनुष्का शर्मा, सागरिका घाटगे और अमृता राव जैसी एक्ट्रेसेस भी जल्द ही मदरहुड को करेंगी एम्ब्रेस. ऐसे में जब करीना कपूर खान से पूछा गया कि वो बाकी एक्सपेक्टिंग मदर्स को क्या एडवाइस देना चाहेंगी, तो करीना कपूर खान ने कहा,
to keep the thoughts clean, to stay away from negativity, to of course eat what your heart wants. Don't overeat, but eat what your heart wants. And I think my doctors also always told me that dairy products jaise ke dahi ho ya doodh ho, it does help in keeping your immunity up, in calcium and vitamins. So I am following a bit of all of that for sure. So I think every expecting mother should do that.
जहां करीना कपूर खान अपने सेकंड बेबी के अराइवल को लेकर हैं सुपर एक्साइटेड, वहीं करीना अपने प्रोफेशनल कमिटमेंट्स को भी कंप्लीट कर रही हैं. और पैंडेमिक एंड प्रेगनेंसी के साथ शूट करना उनके लिए कितना आसान या मुश्किल था, लेट्स फाइंड आउट फ्रॉम हर.
Back in the 60s, 70s, we did have, a lot of actresses who did finish off films and who did, shoot till they're 6-7 months pregnant, Of course, we're in difficult times right now. It's also, we're in COVID times, so we're taking all the necessary precautions. But, life is going on as much and as carefully as it can be. I think we're all, keeping a limited crew. I'm keeping limited people around me. Yeah. We're always masking up. I'm washing my hands like almost 20-25 times a day in paranoia, but that's the right thing to do, If we want to go out and work and we want to be safe, we have to follow the rules. So I think following the rules but not stopping my life. The first time round with Taimur, I worked till the end, but I shot a lot of ads and I did a lot of my brand work. But I think for the first time being an actor, I'm actually on a movie set, being pregnant, and I think it's actually quite an exhilarating feeling, to know that I can still shoot in a movie and be pregnant. Working and acting and doing my job it's part of my DNA. It's part of me. And so I happened to be pregnant for the second time, and it's like I said, I'm going to go about everything the way I am.
करीना कपूर खान ने ये बातें एक डेयरी प्रोडक्ट के ब्रांड एंडोर्समेंट इवेंट के दौरान कही. वर्क फ्रंट पर करीना कपूर खान ने हाल ही में लाल सिंह चड्ढा के शूट को कंप्लीट किया और करीब 1 महीने बाद वो दिल्ली से मुंबई लौट आई हैं. And it seems now she is planning to spend her time with her family and friends. शाहिद कपूर के सुपर्ब कवर ड्राइव में एक क्रिकेटर को बना दिया है उनका फैन। शाहिद कपूर की फिल्म जर्सी के सेट से आए इस वीडियो को देखकर एक क्रिकेटर शाहिद कपूर के कमिटमेंट की तारीफ करने से खुद को रोक नहीं पाया और शाहिद कपूर इज ऑल्सो ओवर द मून आफ्टर द प्रेजेस फ्रॉम ग्रेट क्रिकेटर। वो क्रिकेटर कोई और नहीं बल्कि सुरेश रैना है। दरअसल शाहिद कपूर ने हाल ही में सोशल मीडिया पर अपने अर्ली मॉर्निंग प्रैक्टिस सेशन के ग्लिम्सेस शेयर किए थे। शाहिद कपूर का ये वीडियो जैसे ही सोशल मीडिया पर आया, एक्स इंडियन क्रिकेटर सुरेश रैना ने शाहिद कपूर की तारीफ करते हुए लिखा, सुपर्ब कवर ड्राइव मैन विद ग्रेट हेड पोजीशन, बेस्ट विशेस ऑलवेज। अब एक प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर से तारीफ सुनकर शाहिद कपूर हो गए सुपर डुपर एक्साइटेड और उन्होंने अपने पोस्ट में लिखा, कमिंग फ्रॉम यू इट मेड माई डे, वीक एंड ईयर। जर्सी में शाहिद कपूर एक ऐसे क्रिकेटर का रोल प्ले कर रहे हैं who decides to play cricket again for his son at a certain age for Jersey. शाहिद कपूर ने अपने इस कैरेक्टर के लिए प्रोफेशनल क्रिकेटर्स से ट्रेनिंग्स ली हैं और अब उनके इस वीडियो को देखकर साफ है कि शाहिद कपूर की मेहनत रंग लाई है। फिलहाल शाहिद कपूर ने जर्सी के उत्तराखंड स्केड्यूल को रैप अप कर लिया है। जर्सी साउथ इंडियन फिल्म जर्सी का हिंदी रीमेक है और रिसेंटली जूम के साथ एक्सक्लूसिव कॉन्वर्सेशन में सदर्न स्टार नानी हु प्लेड द लीड इन द ओरिजिनल स्पोर्ट्स ड्रामा इस फिल्म में शाहिद कपूर की कास्टिंग को लेकर दिखे काफी कॉन्फिडेंट।
I'm so glad he's doing Jersey because that story needs to be told to a bigger audience, and I want everyone to witness what a beautiful script Gautam has penned. And I think there's no better option than Shahid for it.
शाहिद कपूर ने जिस तरह अर्जुन रेड्डी के रीमेक में कबीर सिंह के कैरेक्टर से सभी को इम्प्रेस किया, उसे देखते हुए शाहिद कपूर के फैंस को जर्सी से भी है हाई एक्सपेक्टेशंस।
Hello everyone, I'm Rudrani and welcome to Speak Easy. Today I'll be chatting with an actor who's extremely talented, extremely bindas, and right now internet is kind of crazy about him. We'll find out more why. Why is the internet crazy about you, Ali? Can you answer that question, Guddu Bhaiya?
Oh God, I think it's because we've ended up creating a bit of a monster out of something, and this Mirzapur has turned into quite a rage. Love, I remember. And it's very twisted love, It's हाँ, मतलब मैं कभी कोई पर्सनल फोटो डालता हूँ, फैमिली की फोटो डालता हूँ, उस पे भी एक दिन ना गाली वाली आ गई थी कोई, तो आई वेंट एंड आस्क्ड हिम, ऐसे भाई क्यों गाली क्यों दे रहे हो? नहीं मैं प्यार में दे रहा हूँ सर, मोहब्बत, ये आपका मतलब डायलॉग है और समथिंग। So I said, listen, don't do all this, यार, मतलब, but yeah, I think people have really, I don't know, it's just also there's no point of reference. It's suddenly this series has behaved like one mega whatever piece, just blowing out of proportion. So yeah, there's like another fandom for it, there's a meme world for it, there's the whole
and they are very serious about it. It's kind of crazy, a character that's given you so much love and sometimes probably hate as well, because there are people who will question the role and how appropriate it is. How has your relationship changed with the character from season 1 to season 2, or when you first got it till now?
I think it's a love-hate, many ways. Because I mean, I'm not that in many ways. In most ways, I'm not that character. But yes, there is a part of me in it. There has to be, otherwise I'm lying. So yes, I won't identify which parts, but yes, there are.
But you have to tell me that.
Maybe I think yes, if I'm really pushed to the corner, that anger is
Ah,
something that is me. And I've I guess that, I mean, this is tooting my own horn, but I suppose, I mean, that the Guddu has this little charm in every time he's romantic with
mhm.
you know I mean, forget the charm, but I know that I'm a romantic. So at least that is something similar or in the same ballpark, maybe. I mean, I'm a hopeless romantic. I think I can. मैं तो बिल्कुल सारा दुनियादारी भूल जाता हूँ when it comes to, just if it's
How
to woo
sweet.
somebody.
How
Yeah.
sweet. With this immense love, you've also received criticisms at times from another part, which is, of course, a part and parcel of, of I think, being a part of any series or any film. You're among the few also. I remember you had taken a stand once saying that I will not be a part of any scene where I'll have to abuse a child. I think that is something that I will not do. I think that was extremely interesting for me because where do you draw the line and how often have you drawn the line here, Ali? Because people have questioned the fact that when you're trying to create a milieu, people do get carried away with the language or with the depiction of violence or with it can sometimes get overboard because you know that there is a fascination, especially in our country, with the language, with the abuses, and that's true. Where do you draw the line for someone who sort of made that decision once?
I think interesting, because the first time I saw the effect of Mirzapur, even though, and I see, this is the part where this is a constant dilemma, right, between the artist and the person. The artist in me says, here we are, the same audience, we are gulping in, taking in with hordes of Western cinema and Game of Thrones and all that, and we want ours to be out there with the same quality, with the same panache, with the same everything, So yes, the artist in me goes, okay, let's do that. And yes, there are parts in India where मतलब ऐसा लोग तुम हर second word में गालियां ऐसे
जी
बौछार की तरह निकलती.
जी
And then we did Mirzapur. So yes, it is violent. And yes, I think somewhere the effects of it, somewhere मुझे थोड़ा सा लगा कि यार ये, there was those underage boys, posting photos and abusing and all that. So I got a little disturbed. I remember season 2 when it began. It was one of my first questions to Guru that, I the script is great and everything, uh, and this is within the purview of my character. Um, you can call it me trying to like justify it somehow or whatever, but I think somewhere we decided, Guddu, because I can only do it for my part.
sure.
I said, जहाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी ना, really जहाँ जरूरत पड़ेगी, वहाँ करते हैं. Let's try and avoid. Let's see what happens.
Really?
So,
Really?
Yeah, and I mean, not a single abuse in season 2 from me. Not a
What?
single. Yeah.
How are you dealing with the trolling part of it? I know you've said that you let go, you probably don't check, but especially when your work comes out and then you see that there is also another side of people saying boycott, this and boycott that because of what you've said otherwise in your beliefs. How does that affect you? And also, does that make you more wary of what you say? Because that's really, really sad.
It does make me wary when I'm 4 days away from a release that
Yeah.
is not just my release. It is a huge team that is releasing this. There are workers, there are people who are attached to this. There's a camera department, there's a light department, there's a makeup department, costume. These people are part of, I mean, for lack of a better word, have become part of a cult like Mirzapur, and they're all, waiting for this. The audiences are waiting for this. So when suddenly there's a machinery that decides to, throw that hashtag, then I mean, it's just I try to just not indulge it, and I think that's the right way, because we cannot. I think I've said this earlier as well. We cannot become. Um, we cannot. We cannot be sized up and be measured by this, right? This can't be the measure of an entire society, an entire workforce.
What is your favorite character? You can't name yours, obviously. Which is one character that if you got to play and you would have done it, what fun would you have had with that character? What would you have done with something that you liked?
Like in a parallel universe, you're saying, right?
Of course, in a parallel, of course. I'm just a hypothetical. Yeah.
I would play. I mean, now that I've shot season 2, I think I would play Golu's character, like Shweta. What Shweta's playing?
Really?
Yeah, Shweta or Rasika, one of those two. Of course, the setups are the same, but within those setups, I think what Puneet has done is he's managed to raise the bar and on so many levels, especially with all characters, but with the female characters, of course, with all the people feeling season 1 was not, rightfully theirs, which is, again, I feel was totally justified in many ways because that was the setup we were showing. But now you see the whole layout and yeah, I think there's some interesting stuff to be watched.
When the entire information came out about you being, you are not there in Bhoot Police and somebody else being, there was an entire discussion about how has Ali Fazal got replaced, which obviously was not, I'm sure you had your own reasons and things might have not worked out. So what happened there? Because everybody was like, oh, why is Ali Fazal not in it?
I think the makers, my dates didn't work out at the time. I remember I was shooting Death on the Nile. There was a delay. I think the production also changed in that meantime. I believe, I don't know, I think Fox was earlier, then later they weren't. I don't know. A lot of productions changed. So I got to know much later. But yeah, I mean, I suppose that's...
So you let go of it?
I let go of it. Yeah, I had to let go of it. What else do I do? I didn't have the required dates. There was a communication also issue between me and my director. So, yeah.
Fair enough.
That was one of the major reasons.
We'll chat soon again. I can't wait to watch the world that you've created, and that now that you've given me a little bit of feelers here and there, I'm really, really more excited. And all the very best, Ravi. Lots of love always to you, and lots of love. Take care. Thank you so much.
Thanks.
Bye.
Take care. Bye.
Coming up on the show, इस बार दुर्गा पूजा को मिस कर रहे हैं बी टाउन सेलेब्स। This is that time of the year जब आम लोगों से लेकर खास लोगों तक सभी नवरात्रि और दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेशंस में रहते हैं बिजी।
Everybody doesn't come every day. On Saptami day, certain numbers come, 15 numbers come. On Ashtami day, another 25 numbers come. So that is how this puja is we are trying to do it next year. It will be very difficult to keep the crowd away. But we have to do it. We don't have a choice because of pandemic. Because we don't want anybody to catch pandemic. Okay, that's the main thing. This time we are not having any bhog, we are not having any prasad, we are not having any entertainment because we are trying to keep the crowd.
While this year all celebrations of Durga Puja have been low-key, actress Konkona Sen Sharma भी इस साल दुर्गा पूजा को कर रही हैं मिस।
Because there won't be any puja also. That's so both of us said it at the same time. There's going to be no puja. I was thinking I'll go to Cal in October, but I don't think it's really safe to travel. My mom said don't come.
Recently, actress Bipasha Basu ने भी दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेशन की ये थ्रोबैक वीडियो शेयर करके एक्सप्रेस किया था कि किस तरह वो फेस्टिविटीज को कर रही हैं मिस। सेलेब्स ग्रैंड दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेशन और नवरात्रि के गरबा दांडिया को मिस कर रहे हैं, वहीं कुछ सेलेब्स ऐसे भी हैं जो करंट सिचुएशन की वजह से सेलिब्रेशन में ब्रेक नहीं लगाना चाहते, जैसे नोरा फतेही, जिनका कहना है कि वो ड्रेस अप होने का मौका हाथ से नहीं जाने देती।
फेस्टिवल्स के साथ ही जिंदगी होती है। व्हेनेवर देयर इज न्यू ईयर आता है, दिवाली है, दशहरा है, क्रिसमस है, या हमारे गुरपुरब आता है पंजाब में, उसी के साथ खुशी होती है, बिकॉज यू वर्क, सारा साल आप काम करते हो, एंड देन देयर कम्स अ टाइम व्हेन यू सेलिब्रेट विद योर फ्रेंड्स एंड डियर वंस. But right now I think people are trying to celebrate, but with the precautions and stuff, क्योंकि टाइम ऐसा नहीं चल रहा अच्छा. But yeah, I love Diwali. मेरे को वो 10-15 दिन बहुत ज्यादा अच्छे लगते हैं. सब नए कपड़े पहनते हैं, then they eat sweets and they buy new stuff. They buy new TVs. I just love buying TVs.
What, do you buy TV every year?
Yeah, I buy TV every year. I love buying TV, and then you buy whatever car, you buy some sort of, you लोहा खरीदते हैं, जैसे हमारे पुराना होता था कि लोहा लेना दिवाली के ऊपर. So I think that's very beautiful thing to do, and this year we'll do it, but not at that level.
Girl, let me tell you something, okay? Even if it means I need to dress up and stay at home, I will do that. I never miss an opportunity to dress up. Life is short. You never know what's going to happen tomorrow. So I will still dress up and take pictures for you guys and post them on Instagram.
Oh, that's Noora Fateh for everybody.
वहीं टीवी कपल जय भानुशाली और माही विज ने अपनी सेफ्टी को देखते हुए घर पर ही ऑर्गेनाइज किया एक स्मॉल गरबा दांडिया इवेंट। And here are some of the throwback videos of good old days जब मोनी रॉय से लेकर सुष्मिता सेन और बाकी लोग दुर्गा पूजा सेलिब्रेशन में हुए थे शामिल। सोशल मीडिया पर ये बर्थडे विश सबसे ज्यादा वायरल हो रहा है। आखिर अर्जुन कपूर ने अपनी लेडी लव मलाइका अरोरा के लिए ये खास मैसेज पोस्ट किया है। एंड अर्जुन कपूर की एक्साइटमेंट से साफ है कि उन्होंने अपनी लेडी लव के लिए प्लान किया होगा समथिंग स्पेशल। वेल, मलाइका अरोरा की बेस्टी करीना कपूर खान ने भी एक अडोरेबल पोस्ट शेयर किया है फॉर हर। करीना कपूर खान ने इस पिक को शेयर करते हुए लिखा, Happy birthday, darling Malla. May we keep enjoying our meals and our girly nights together while twinning in our t-shirts forever. इससे पहले मलाइका अरोरा को स्पॉट किया गया था with her son अरहान जब वो अपने बर्थडे ईव पर डिनर करने पहुंची थी with her son. वहीं दीपिका पादुकोण के फैंस के लिए है एक गुड न्यूज, क्योंकि दीपिका पादुकोण फाइनली लौट आई हैं ऑन सोशल मीडिया। वेल, एनसीबी इंटेरोगेशन के बाद से दीपिका पादुकोण थी इनएक्टिव ऑन इंस्टाग्राम, पर अब उन्होंने अपने को एक्टर प्रभास को बर्थडे विश करते हुए सोशल मीडिया ब्रेक को कर दिया है एंड। और लास्टली, एक्ट्रेस अमृता राव, जो अक्सर अपनी पर्सनल लाइफ को लाइमलाइट से दूर रखती हैं, उन्होंने नवरात्रि के मौके पर आज इस वीडियो पोस्ट के साथ रिवील किया that she has stepped into the 9th month of her pregnancy. फिलहाल के लिए इतना ही। For all the latest social media updates and viral content, keep watching this space.